Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to divide an angle into 5 equal parts. I'm using an 8 centimeters radius here, and first thing I'm going to drawing this arc connecting these two opposite points. Then I'm going to point my compass on this point using the same radius and make a mark on the arc. Then again I'm going to grab my compass and using the same 2 points on the horizontal line, I'm going to make 2 marks down below, which will allow me to find the vertical line. So I'm aligning my ruler here and drawing the vertical line. I don't need the whole line. In fact, I'm using a dashed line here. I just need the mark on the horizontal line. Then I'm grabbing my ruler again and aligning these 2 points and connecting them with a line. Next, I'm gonna grab my compass again, measure the distance and make a mark on this new line, and then pointing my compass on top, open it into this new intersection and making a mark on the arc. I'm using the same distance again and making another mark on the corner. These 2 points will be connected to the intersection in the center. I'm not done yet then. I'm gonna use my compass to measure this smaller distance, which is 1/5 of this 90 degrees angle, and I'm making another 2 marks on the arc, which will be again connected to this point in the corner. And voila, this 90 degrees angle has been divided into 5 equal parts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Bye!